Hey everyone, welcome back to Young Founders Club. Today, we're diving into how you can find your perfect business niche. This step-by-step guide is tailored for all you young entrepreneurs out there looking to make your mark. We're talking about finding that sweet spot where your passions collide with a hungry market. Get those notebooks ready because we're about to unlock some serious business potential. Let's get started. Alright entrepreneurs, let's kick things off with a good old-fashioned brainstorming session. I want you to grab a stack of sticky notes, those bad boys are your new best friend, and find a nice big wall. Now, start jotting down every single idea that pops into your head. I don't care how crazy, how niche, or how out there it seems, just get it out of your system and onto those sticky notes. Think about the things you're passionate about, the skills you've honed, and the interests that get you fired up. Maybe you're a fitness fanatic who loves whipping up healthy meals or a tech whiz who can build a website in your sleep. Whatever it is, write it down. Remember, we're not filtering ourselves here, we're letting those entrepreneurial juices flow. This is about tapping into your inner potential and uncovering those hidden gems that could turn into your dream business. Now that we've got a wall full of potential business ideas, it's time to see which ones have legs. And that's where our good friend Google Trends comes in. This tool is an absolute goldmine for entrepreneurs, giving you a real-time glimpse into what people are searching for online. Head over to Google Trends and start plugging in those keywords related to your ideas. See what's trending upwards, what's got consistent search volume, and what's, well, flatlining. Are people going crazy for keto-friendly snacks? Is there a surge in demand for sustainable living products? Google Trends will tell you. This is all about validating your ideas and seeing if there's actual market demand for what you're passionate about. Remember, we're not just building businesses here, we're building businesses that solve problems and fulfill needs. Alright, now it's time to get strategic and find that sweet spot where passion, demand, and profitability collide. Grab yourself a fresh sheet of paper because we're about to create a Venn diagram. Draw 3 big circles, one for each of those key elements. In the passion circle, write down all the ideas that genuinely excite you. These are the things that get you up in the morning, the things you could talk about for hours on end. In the demand circle, list out the ideas that have shown promise in your Google Trends research. These are the ideas that people are actively searching for, the ones with real market potential. And finally, in the profitability circle, jot down the ideas that you believe could actually generate revenue. Now look for the magical intersection where all 3 circles overlap. That, my friends, is your entrepreneurial sweet spot. Chapter 4. Snooping on the competition, it's allowed. Listen up, entrepreneurs, because this next step is all about getting into the trenches and doing some good old-fashioned market research. Head over to Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or any other platform where businesses in your potential niche are selling their wares. Start browsing through product listings, paying close attention to what's already out there. What are the best sellers? What are the customer reviews saying? Are there any glaring gaps in the market? This is your chance to see what's working, what's not, and where you can potentially carve out your own unique space. Are you offering a better version of an existing product? Are you solving a problem that nobody else is addressing? Remember, competition is a good thing. It means there's a market for your idea. Your job is to find your unique angle, your unfair advantage, and give people a reason to choose you. Chapter 5. Canva to the rescue. Visualizing your brand. Alright entrepreneurs, it's time to inject some personality into your business idea and bring it to life visually. And no, you don't need to be a design whiz or hire an expensive agency. Canva is your new best friend. This free online tool makes graphic design a piece of cake, even if you've never touched Photoshop in your life. Head over to Canva and start experimenting with different logo designs for your potential business. Play around with fonts, colors, icons, and layouts until you find something that feels right, something that captures the essence of your brand. This step is all about getting those creative juices flowing and starting to build a visual identity for your business. Remember, a logo is more than just a pretty picture, it's the face of your brand, the symbol that represents everything you stand for. Make it count. Chapter 6 landing page, Magic, Testing the Waters. Alright entrepreneurs, it's time to take your business idea for a spin in the real world and see if it's got what it takes to make a splash. And the best way to do that? Build a simple landing page. Now, I'm not talking about spending weeks coding a complex website. We're talking about a single, compelling page that clearly communicates your business idea and its value proposition. Use a platform like lead pages, Unbounce, or even just a Google Doc to create a basic landing page. Craft a strong headline that grabs attention, write a brief description of your product or service, and include a clear call to action. This landing page will serve as your testing ground, allowing you to gauge interest and gather valuable feedback before you go all in. Share it with your network, post it on social media, and see how people react. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to finding your perfect business niche. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Don't be afraid to experiment, to pivot, and to learn along the way. The most important thing is to take action. Don't let those ideas stay stuck in your head. Get out there, test them, and see what sticks. The world needs what you have to offer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship. Until next time, keep hustling.